Hello, this is Ali, Safelet, and talking about Sentinel HL keys, protection keys. Now I'm using the document which is called Sentinel LDK Product Overview, which reside under the documentation of the LDK installed files. It's as a matter of fact under, let me see, under C program file SafeNet Sentinel LDK docs, manuals and tutorials, production brief and data sheets. Also here we have documents, and I'm talking now about Sentinel LDK product overview over here. So here we have a list and details about each one of the keys that we offer today. Let me show you first 4 of them: Basic, Pro, Max, and Max. Both are Max, but this Max is mini, and this Max is micro, which is of course smaller. And then we see that there are specific. First of all, we see that Basic maybe is of course a basic one, and it allows you to make. If I see here, it allows you to make a very limited protection. I mean, the protection is well, but very limited in terms of flexibility, meaning that you will not be able to do many things, many other things that are available with the more advanced one. If I want to, to have one sentence about what are the differences between between Basic and then Pro and then Max, you can see here below the number of features that you might be using inside the key. Every key can include inside a specific number of features. Each feature is like the license, a specific license. So the more features you have, the more flexibility in different and variety licensing models you have. So you can see that the amount is being increased. In addition, you can see that we have 2 different types of memory: read-only and read-write memory, and it's being increased by the advanced one in most of the cases. There is also something which is called dynamic memory, which is something that relates to the fact that the keys has the ability to be in a mode, in a configuration which is called driverless, meaning that the keys will not need any installation of driver and installation of runtime, since they use the Windows internal USB driver. And then you will be able to use even more memory for yourself. So this memory inside the key can be used for different things that you might want. Other differences are related to the fact. Let me jump below and show you other types of keys. Here we see a key which is called net. We can also see features as net time. Both net means that this specific keys, the net and the net time, can be used also from other machines in the organization. So that means that also vice versa. Each of the keys that I have shown you previously, Basic, Pro, Max, and also the other ones that you see here, different type of Max and time and drive, all these keys can be used only locally for applications that run on the local machine. So if you want one key to have the license, to keep the license for different machines, then you would need the net or the net time. So what is the time and the net time? You see here time and net time, talking about time. These are specific for a real-time clock that reside inside these keys. The real-time clock inside the keys makes sure that you have control about what is exactly the time and the date, of course. So you are not counting on the machine time. You can use the runtime clock inside them. And of course, you have also some specific keys that can be inside the embedded word or other places that you want to make sure that the protection key reside. Now, there are also other things that might be important for you in addition to that, like temperatures and like compliance with which type of certifications, etc. All this data can be found here. In addition to this data, let me just close it and go to another place where we have here, maybe I will still go there, but go to Sentinel HL datasheet. It's very small, but I can enlarge it and show you here. So over here, you see once again the list of all the keys, the Sentinel HL protection keys that we have, but these are for the driverless configuration keys. The driverless is, as we said, a configuration where you don't have to install a driver, and you don't have to install the runtime. And then the advantage, the big advantage, there are many advantages of using driverless, and we really highly recommend on using this configuration, which can be directly purchased as Sentinel HL driverless configuration right away from SafeNet. The big advantage is, as you see maybe here, not only the dynamic memory, which allows you more memory to be used, but also you can see here up to 2,160 feature per key. So it allows you a real big advantage of using many features, many licenses inside your keys. So all the details also are here. You can find them and use them for your needs in your environment. Thank you for watching.